This color change have a two version. First, that you can perform on your camera or on your table performance, and the second version that you can do on your live performance. First, I will show you how the change work. After that, I will go into the detail. Okay, so you just need a two playing card. Okay, just put it like this. Okay, back to back. Okay, you start by okay showing the card like this. Okay, and you right hand come grab over the card. Okay, and you secretly make a split. Okay, you see it, you make a split and just hold like this, and from this position it's really easy. You just bring the bottom card. Okay, come up like this. So here, this is from your close-up perspective. Okay, you come with this position, grab. Okay, here, and your right hand come. Okay, you just grab like this and you can let go. And right now your right hand is full do the work. Okay, first just remember just split, and from this position, okay, your thumb hold the top card, and after that you just reach. Okay, you just reach the bottom card and just push it like this. So here, okay, you will little practice for this one. Okay, come grab, you can split. Okay, you can let go and just reach the bottom card. Okay, and just swing up like this. So you end up with this position. You grab two card at the one hand. So one more time. So you just come showing the card like this. Okay, this is from the exposing angle. You just come. Okay, your right hand, you can show your right hand empty. Come grab, remember just split. Okay, and bring out the bottom card like this. Okay, so from the front, okay, you just show come. Okay, this is the right angle and just showing like this. And to do the cleanup, okay, because right now you are hold two card in one hand, it's really easy. If you perform on the camera, you just grab and spin it at the same time. You just drop your hand and that's it. Okay, and it's same. You perform this on the like performance on the table. Okay, example, there's a table right here. After you perform the chain here, show, and you can immediately drop your right hand. Okay, down the table and just spin the last card, and you can put the first card on your leg. Now this is the second version for the live performance. It's same, but you just need your deck. Okay, to do the cleanup. Okay, same, just take one card, turn face up and just do double leaf. Remember, just take the next card and you are do the setup, and after that just same, just execute the chain here and just doing like this. Okay, so one more time, just here, show and execute the chain, showing like this. And to do the cleanup, okay, because right now you are in this position, all you do is just tilt everything, just tilt and grab the first card. At the same time you just put the last card and you are in this position. After that you just grab double and you can show front and back. Okay, here, okay, one more time, this is from the front. Okay, take one card. Okay, execute double leaf, right now double. Okay, and show your right hand empty, execute, do a chain and show like this and tilt everything. Okay, drop and you're done. After that, yep, you can take double and show it front and back and the chain's done. That's it.